can't wait. We're next. We're gonna get adjusted. I really need this adjustment, man. I just can't wait. It's awesome. All right, I tell you, my favorite time of year is here. It's October 1st is tomorrow. Looking forward to Halloween. Me and Harry here, waiting to get our adjustments, of course. This is definitely a stressful October 2020. Whoops, I guess she already got called. She's going to get adjusted next, huh? So basically, chiropractic is more important than ever right now. We got the fall weather changing. It looks like it might be a chillier fall than we've had the last couple years. And of course, there's stressful times in the country with all the politics, but you all do your thing, and that's cool. Just remember, getting adjusted and taking your supplements, doing nutrition is crucial right now. So, like I said, I'm looking forward to it. I can't wait.